to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through few videos on face alignment, we have seen one video of image face alignment using image. We have seen of Ganguly, our latest popular video long back ago, the image of Ganguly. Then we have seen face alignment from multiple images. Remember one thing, in both the videos I have used the dlib library, but today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about face alignment in different style. I will be using dlib library also, and I will be using face alignment also, but the one thing is new, that is I am using mediapipe library. I have used mediapipe library for face detection and landmark. So let us go through the program code. Here face detection is also there and landmark is there due to dlib library. So we have seen here, you can see mediapipe. This is all about the program. Now I will execute the program. I will show the initial state of the program. Here result combine, nothing is there, and in images my image is there. Now I will execute the program. It will take some time, sorry. It will take some time, please be patient. Yes, landmark is also displayed with image. Yes, fine. Processing file Sanjay 1 JPG. Now we will see the output after a few minutes. It will take some time. Yes, process. Now we will see the output. Yes, I successfully done with, this is original image and this is mediapipe landmark, and this is and is using dlib. So I successfully done with face alignment in different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python with face alignment, then face recognition, attendance system in different style, and many more videos on dlib library, CNN model, then if possible Munstack, full stack, Node.js, React.js. So for latest update about Python machine learning, please watch my videos on sanjaymahajanyoutubechannel.com. Thanks for watching.